Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to disable the reading mode on Character.AI. So recently, a lot of people have been facing the issue of reading mode. Like when you get to certain points in chatting with the characters AI on the app, you're going to see where it says reading mode. So how do you get to disable this on Character AI? So, with all the research that have been made, reports and everything, so what the Character AI really means is the reading mode is a restricted state that prevents users from chatting with the AI bots. So it happens when a user fails to do a age verification or when the system detects issues with the user's age status. So what do? You need to verify the your age on Character AI. That is what it simply means for you to do. So all you need to do is just open up your Character AI. Make sure you go to a Play Store or Apple Store and try to update the app. And once it is updated, you try to do your age verification. So once you're in the app like this, look right below your screen, your profile, click on that, and you're going to see right here at this corner, you're going to see these two icons and you're going to see the settings icon right there. You click on it and you're going to click on where it says advanced. Click on advanced and you're going to see verify age. Click on that and you're going to go to all the process. It's going to do like a facial verification as well, and once you're done with that, you are going to get that fixed. But if that doesn't actually work out for you, just know that all these things are being controlled from Character AI server. And even if you use like a VPN or try to bypass any other thing because you watched some kind of video that said you can actually bypass and use VPN, it's not going to work. But Character AI is trying to improve, and they're trying to work on it because a lot of people have been complaining and they're trying to work on it. So just try as much as possible to actually do your age verification by doing every step of the way, and you're going to get it fixed. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.